Okay. What has been done with the car is had my new center link installed. Right here's my old one. Um, have not done any sanding on the car lately, so I decided I'm gonna wait till all this trimming is removed, and I'll do some more sanding on the car. I'm gonna take all this stuff off right here before I do any more stuff on the car. Right there's my aero wheel. I decided my dad's gonna repair that at home for me, fill in the cracks that are got some pieces missing. Either we're gonna paint it red and white, or but I would like to do a red with a pearl in it, all red with a pearl in it, like the or crimson red with a pearl like Alabama's color. My turn signal was not canceling, so my dad is looking at it to find out why. Um, I'm also looking for a day and night mirror for my car. I had one on my watch list, but it's sold. But it happens. Um, that is my original AM radio, but that one doesn't work. I have one that does work. I bought it from a guy who's a retired electrician. He lubricated it and tuned it. And that one will be converted to AM FM, and I have jacks put on it so I can listen to AM listen to a satellite radio or CDs or or iPod or MP3 player, whichever one I want to choose. I just don't want to have just AM and radio. Um, this is the sanding I've done on the car. Only the hood and the trunk I've already done. I'm not going anywhere near the trim. Um, I would take this trim off myself, but I'd rather leave that up to somebody else that knows what they're doing, because I've never taken trim off a vehicle before. I haven't seen much done lately with the car except for the um, new center link being installed in the vehicle. And right there's my old one. But I'm also looking at, hopefully someday I can get another set of rims for this car, like wired wheels with wide white wall tires. But that's a want, not a need. The needs for the car will come first and the wants later. Let me see if I can get down there and show you the new center link. I'll give it a shot, but oh man. Oh, it's not very good, but I know that'll be no more playing the steering wheel. And oh, like I said, it'll get there. It's gonna take time. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to do this car. Probably a year or two, maybe a little bit longer. It took 2 years to do the other Fury, the Black 61. My dad said this car needs a lot of work. Well, I grabbed this one because the car had the options that I wanted: power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. Even though the air conditioning was added on, and I decided I want to paint the car crimson red like for Alabama colors, Alabama Crimson Tide. So and I'll also look to have my 1961 Tennessee license plate restored too. So I'm signing off right now, and then I'll upload this video on YouTube or the Forward Look site. So I'm keeping everybody posted. And I'm also let's see if there's any. No, I'm not going inside that vehicle. I'm sorry, but I will open up the door. I think you only remember how these what the heck? Oh, that happened. Look at this scrubbing right there. It looks like. See my armrest. I had those recovered by a fellow Pace Car Club member. I also got floor mats for the car that says Fury right here, like with their red with the black lettering Fury. That's okay. They won't, even though they won't match my carpet, they'll match my seats. As you can tell, this is a woman's car because all the stuffed animals in the back. So and this is some of the stuff in right here I'm gonna have to replace, and this right here. I need to get these right here for the 61. Right there, I need these right here. If anybody knows where I can get a pair of these, it'd be greatly appreciated. Well, I need them for the both sides. I also need the ones that go right here in these holes, and one in the back right there. I need them for both sides. It's my yeah, a lot more that needs to be done. So, well, like I said, there's only things been done. It's that right there has been replaced, and I'll get another good picture of it, and I'll sign off right now.